My name is Dr. Arafat. I'm a medical doctor. I work at Benjamin Mkapa Hospital in Tanzania. I was recommended from the Office of the First Lady under the Ministry of Health. We have a lot of challenges in my country, Tanzania, about fertility care. Firstly, I can say there are not so many centers where they provide advanced fertility treatment. So in terms of centers, there are very few. There are only 5 centers which provide the service, and none of them is a public center. And another challenge I can say is the number of fertility specialists is very few. By approximately, I can say only 30 are in the country. So with the population, it's difficult for patients to access the fertility treatment service. Currently, the patients we see in our clinics, after they undergo a series of investigations like ultrasound, hysteroscopy, sometimes laparoscopy. For the milder forms of infertility, we currently offer ovulation induction and sometimes IUI for the milder forms of infertility. But in terms of the advanced fertility services like IVF or IRSI, the few centers that are available can cater for those, but because of the cost, sometimes is a challenge for many patients to afford. So sometimes the patient have no option but to go outside the country to access the service, which is sometimes very costly to them. Nowadays, there is great awareness about fertility, especially in the urban areas, but it's still a challenge in the rural areas. The perception is that an infertile couple are treated a little bit different. There is a stigma which comes with infertility, and male infertility is still not very well acknowledged, and most people point fingers to the woman as the reason for infertility. So still there is a great work. We as fertility experts need to work to educate the society about the causes of infertility and how they can get treatment in our centers. This training has given me an opportunity to learn more about infertility, to learn more about the advanced fertility services that I can offer to my patients. So the Merck Foundation and Merck Foundation More Than Mother program has helped me achieve my dream of becoming a good fertility advocate, so that I can help my patients and the country as well. Because the fertility treatment currently in the country is a topic which has not been given the attention it needs. So this training will help me and also help my patients in terms of fertility treatment. I expected a lot from the program. Actually, I looked forward to learning a lot about infertility and the advanced fertility training, the advanced fertility techniques. And I can say that my expectations were met at a great extent. We had a very good exposure about the fertility treatment, what are the options. We had a lot of knowledge and we had a lot of hands-on training with regards to fertility treatment. So I can say that to a big extent my expectations were met in this training. My advice to the aspirants of this training program is the Merck Foundation More Than a Mother program has been a very good ambassador in giving us clinicians the chance to learn about fertility and infertility problems. The program itself is well set. They have the state-of-the-art simulator lab. We have had plenty of hands-on experience with regards to patient and pickups. And also we've learned a lot from the people, we've learned a lot from the culture, we've learned a lot from the trainers. So I can say that it is a program which I will definitely recommend anyone who wants to take it and is after I go back to my country, I'm looking forward to share the knowledge I've got here. I look forward to share the knowledge I have to help my patients, And most importantly, I think to raise awareness using the available outreach programs to raise awareness about infertility, about the options we have on infertility, and help these patients to get the care they need as earlier as possible. I thank the Merck Foundation More Than a Mother. I want to thank the training facility that has helped us gain knowledge and insight about infertility, and the opportunity they've given us to learn, and we have been having a great time here at the training facility. And also I would like to thank Merck Foundation for sponsoring the program, since infertility is not a very well topic, or I can say it's not a very well explored part in my country. So the Merck Foundation has really helped me as a person to gain that experience and exposure. Tanzania.